Question 16 of this exercise says how many times a wheel of radius 28 cm must rotate to go 352 meter, take pi equal 22 by 7. Now as we can see in the question that the radius is given in centimeter and the total distance traveled is given in meter. So let's make the unit same. So let's convert the radius into meter. So it is 28 centimeter, which is same as 28 divided by 100, that equals to 0.28 meter. So that is the radius in meter. Now let's say the wheel rotate n times into the circumference of the circle will equal to the distance traveled, that is 352 meter, n is the number of revolution basically. So let's find the circumference. Circumference is 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.28, that equals to 352. So on solving this it will get n into 1.76, that equals to 352. So the value of n we will get from here, that is 352 divided by 1.76, which is same as 200. So the wheel will rotate 200 times to cover a distance of 352 meter.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.